Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. All my dear ones, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, kindly do it so, like our videos and do share our videos with your contacts. My dear ones, we have entered in month of December, which is also known as month of joy, happiness, peace and love. So let's ask Almighty for His peace and love in our lives. Also, do not forget to spread joy and happiness in others' lives too. And with this, let's hope for the better and healthy 2021.
So my dear children, in today's video we are going to learn new poem of English. First we'll do reading of this poem. Along with it, we will also recite this poem. And then I will explain you meaning of this poem. So let's begin. Unit 3, poem number 21. There is the key of the kingdom. There is the key of the kingdom. In that kingdom, there is a city. In that city, there is a town. In that town, there is a street. In that street, there is a lane. In that lane, there is a yard. In that yard, there is a house. In that house, there is a room. In that room, there is a bed. On that bed, there is a basket. In that basket, there are some flowers. Flowers in the basket, basket on the bed in the room, room in the house, house in the yard, yard in the lane, lane in the street, street in the town, town in the city, city in the kingdom. And this is the key of the kingdom. So my dear friends, it's an interesting poem. This is a fun poem meant for you all to read aloud and enjoy. The poet takes us on a small journey from the biggest thing to the smallest, and the smallest to the biggest. Exactly like how you all do your ascending and descending order sums in maths. Yes, when you are writing your numbers in descending order, you start with the biggest number to the smallest, and in ascending order you start with the smallest to the biggest. Same in this poem, the poet starts with the key of the kingdom and ends with the key to the kingdom. So what poet is saying? That there is a big kingdom. Now, the key of that kingdom is in a city. That city is located in the same kingdom itself. Now, in that city, there is a town, a big town. In that town, there is also a street. जैसे एक बड़े शहर में एक टाउन है और एक छोटा सा शहर है, फिर उस छोटे से टाउन में एक स्ट्रीट यानी कि रास्ता है. नाउ इन दैट स्ट्रीट देयर इज अ लेन. लेन मीन्स जैसे एक छोटी सी गली होती है. इन दैट लेन देयर इज अ यार्ड. यार्ड यानी जो जगह होती है गार्डन जैसी हमारे घर के सामने, उसे हम यार्ड कहते हैं. Now in that yard there is a house. In that house there is a room. You all are having rooms in your house, right? Exactly. Now in that room there is one bed, and on that bed there is a basket, and that basket is full of beautiful flowers. So till here the poet has taken us from the biggest thing, that is kingdom, to the smallest thing, that is a basket which is on bed and is full of flowers. Now the poet is going to take us in reverse order, that is from smallest to the biggest. So here the poet is going to start with the basket which is full of flowers. So let's see. Flowers in the basket. Now the basket is on the, yes, bed. Bed is in the room. Room is in the house and house is in the yard. Yard is in the lane. Lane is in the street. Now ये जो street है, ये रास्ता है, ये कहाँ पे है? Yes, it's in the town. And town is in the city. City is in the kingdom. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि ये जो city है बहुत बड़ा एक जो शहर है, ये एक बहुत बड़े राजा के राज्य में है. And at the last, this is the key of the kingdom. इस kingdom की जो चाबी है, okay, the key of this kingdom, where it is? It is in the kingdom itself. So my dear children, read this poem aloud and enjoy this fun. I'm sure you all are going to like this video and hope you will enjoy your online learning. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Kindly check your description box for your assignment.